What is iFrame embedding in Looker BI? iFrame embedding in Looker allows you to embed a public dashboard or explore in an external application or web page using a basic HTML iFrame tag. iFrame embedding works only for dashboards set to public access. There is no authentication, so be careful with sensitive data. Step-by-step guide. iFrame embedding in Looker. Step 1. Enable public access. 1. Open the dashboard you want to embed. 2. Click the gear icon, Get Embed URL. 3. Toggle on public access if allowed by admin. 4. Copy the URL provided. Only Looker admins can control whether public embedding is allowed. This must be enabled in the Looker admin panel under Embed Settings. Step 2. Use HTML iframe, HTML code, width 100%, height 600 src, https, yourcompany.looker.com, embed public dashboards ABC 123 frame border, ASO. Advantages of iFrame embedding. Benefit, easy to implement, no coding or back-end setup. Great for public data. Ideal for marketing, reports, news, fast. Embed within seconds. Lightweight, no authentication overhead. Limitations of iFrame embedding. Drawback, no security. Anyone with the URL can access no row-level security, RLS. Cannot restrict data per user. No personalization. Same view for everyone can be blocked by X-Frame options. Some browsers or web apps may restrict iFrame usage, not suitable for internal apps. Use signed embedding for private dashboards.